Want this awesome microwave edit in Alight Motion Node video? Follow my steps. Open Alight Motion. Sort your clips like me. Make a new project in Alight Motion. Import your clip. Export it. Import it in Node Video. Select effects and type in time remap. Press time remap and add a keyframe in the middle of the clip by pressing the plus sign. Go to the end of the clip and remove the keyframe. Copy the keyframe at the start and move it to the end of the clip. Select the graph editor and copy my graph. Exit the graph editor. Press the three dots and select Frame Interpolation. Select Preview. Press the Upload button and copy my settings. Export your clip. Import it into Alight Motion and copy my settings.